Hey, this is going to be just a really short video because conditional formatting is really easy to use. Pretty much up to your imagination, the things that you could do with it, whether it's for your own purposes, sharing information with colleagues, with students. But it's a nice little trick. There's all kinds of stuff that you can do in Google Sheets that you really don't need to be some kind of technical expert to be able to do. They've made a lot of the stuff very user friendly. But anyway, let's get into this. So I've already kind of just set up a blank list of some generic student names and some assignments here just so you can see how this will work. So once you have this set up for whatever your purposes are, to do the conditional formatting, you're going to want to select the cell or groups of cells that you want to conditionally format. So in this case, let's say I wanted to do it for grades of different assignments. I might select like all of this because I'm just going to be putting in more assignments or something, right? And this might be a thing also where if Frontline has the ability to export grades as an Excel file, you could upload that into a Google Sheet and then simply just add conditional formattings over the grades to get that nice colorful thing if that's the thing you're interested in. So anyway, select the cells you want. In this case, we're just going to do these 3 rows here. And if you go into the format option, there's a lot of different things you can do here. I'd really encourage you to make like your own spreadsheet that you don't need for anything and kind of play around with all this different stuff. We're going to go down here to conditional formatting, and this is exactly what the name says. You are going to input conditions to Google, and they're going to format the cells based on the conditions that you've given. So you have the option here of a single color, or you could do color scale if you want. So maybe instead of having different colors, you want a gradual progression of red or green or whatever. We'll go with a single color here. This is set again to this whole range. And you have a lot of different options as far as what you want to do with this. You could use text, numbers, dates. There's all different kind of stuff that you can do here. For the purpose of this example, I'm going to do grades, and we're going to do between. So we're going to kind of look at ABC range, that kind of stuff. And let's say, right, 70s are our cutoff for pass fail, right? So we're going to make this anything between 0 up to a 69%. We're going to call it red. And if you only need one rule, you click done. Here I'm going to need 4 rules, so I'm going to add another rule. It's going to import what I had from the previous one, so I'm just going to change this now. Instead of 0 to 69, we're going to make this 70 to 79. A different color. Let's say yellow. Add another rule. We have 80 and 89. Let's make that purple. And on our top end, we have our 90 up to 100. And let's make that green. And we are done. So click done, and it shows you these are all the rules that you have right now for the cells that you have selected. And once that's done, it does everything else for you, right? So John got he's been improving on all these assignments. He went from a 72 to an 82 to a 90. Boom, you put in the grades, it automatically highlights everything that's going on. So you get that nice color coding. I'm not going to go through every single student here. We get the idea. So conditional formatting, really simple. Once again, select the cells that you want to format. Go up to the format button. Towards the bottom, you're going to see conditional formatting. And when you click that, it's going to give you the options to put in the rules that you want to do. And that's it. You're good to go. Hope that helps.